All I hear is talking, I don't sweat that. If they don't trust me either, I respect that. But she be down the ride, though I bet that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that. Don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that. Don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is JayH. How y'all doing, Postal family? Is everybody good? Is everybody cool? Everybody clean? Are you crisp? Are you feeling irie today? Let's talk. I want you to stick around to the end of this video. It's really not that long, but there's a purpose to it. And I'm going to need y'all to leave some information in the video comment section after I'm done, because people read this. We are changing the culture, regardless of whether or not you think we are. All right, so let's talk. I believe that the USPS is dying from the inside, and nobody wants to hear why. You ever feel like you've been busting your ass in a place that just doesn't care? Like, no matter how much you give, your time, your health, your patience, it ain't ever gonna be enough for the Postal Service. But what I'm about to say, it may sting a little bit. But if you make it to the end of the video, you might walk away with a little bit of clarity, not comfort, but clarity. See, this ain't about management versus craft. No. It's not about union versus the company. No. This is about something much deeper. Entitlement versus effort. And more important, why change isn't happening and why it never will unless we stop lying to ourselves. This place used to be a blue collar badge of honor. Now half the people are checked out before they even get in their 90-day review. And the other half are so jaded, they wouldn't even train Jesus if he showed up in a satchel and blues. You see me? You hear people say, I do my job, I go home cool. But if you're part of the broken system and you're not trying to fix it, are you really doing your job? We got people walking past safety hazards, ignoring new hires who are drowning and turning around and blaming headquarters like it's all coming from the top. Now, let me ask you. I'm going to read something that someone said to me on one of my recent videos. Hold on. Don't judge me. All right. I witnessed, y'all know I got my glasses. I've witnessed many trying to step up and get into management, but they're not chosen. It's all controlled by a family and friend system. Some even filed EEO complaints. 2 years later, still nothing. Until that's uprooted, there will be no change. End quote. That hurt. I couldn't find my damn glasses. They right there. Anyway, I believe them. I do. I seen a lot of favoritism. The same little inner circle who gets the nod while the ones putting in the real effort get overlooked. But here's the thing. Are y'all just going to accept that as the final answer? If you're in a rigged game and you got two choices, you either keep playing and outsmart the rig, or you walk away and you stop crying about the rules. What you don't do is you don't sit in the bleachers and shout at the refs year after year while collecting a check, telling everyone the new generation, it's all rigged. No. That's how the USPS got here. Everyone sees dysfunction, but nobody knows their role in it. Your own role. Yeah, there's a friend system. Yes, it is political, but you telling me that nobody can break through that? Hell nah. See, some of the best leaders I've seen come through the craft, they didn't just quit when they got passed over. They kept showing up. You think they're the only ones who've been denied? Nah. Entitlement is a killing. It's killing the accountability factor. We got too many people waiting around with this whole they owe me energy. And I get it. You've given years to this place. You've been through the heat waves, the dog bites, the mail volume, that wouldn't drown. Come on, man. But this job doesn't owe you leadership. It doesn't owe you a promotion. It doesn't even owe you respect if you ain't earned it with consistency. Real talk. We confuse our frustration with deservedness. I don't even know if that's a real word, deservedness. You might be frustrated, and you should be, but that doesn't mean they're gonna just hand you a clipboard and say, hey, here's your office. This job don't work like that. We can't keep saying the system is broken when most of us have never even tried to grab a wrench. If you've been around long enough to see the game, then you're damn sure smart enough to play it better. Don't let your own personal legacy be one of bitterness and missed opportunities. You want that family and friend system gone? Then start building your own tribe. Tribal chief, baby. Train the next CCA like they're going to be your little cousin. You know what I mean? Build them up so that they can get through the door, and then pull your own with them. You understand? You now you got yourself a little entourage. You want that change? Be the mentor you never had. Be the leadership that you never got. I'm just talking to the wall right now. The real question is, why ain't they promoting me? Well, the real question is, what am I building that they can't ignore? Stop asking permission. Stop waiting for validation. If you tired of watching this place rot from the inside, then stop being a silent witness to the mold that we got going on here. Listen, I need you to leave a comment if you've ever tried to step up and got denied. Leave a comment if you ever got passed over and it lit a fire underneath your ass. But if all you've been doing is watching from the sidelines and blaming the refs, and then maybe, just maybe, it's time to get back in the damn game. Because I said it before and I'll say it again. I see too many of you that have it. You're incredibly intelligent. You just don't want to deal with it. You don't want to deal with the bullshit. I get it. But if it's not you, then who? Who? I like that. Let me try it again. Who? Jay, you silly. Yes, I am. I'm trying a new era, trying a new demeanor, trying to light a fire underneath your asses, you know, but I don't know if it's working. Actually, it is, because I hear this changing the culture is a thing. It is. And I need y'all to keep believing that we're going to change that culture. You see me? This is JayH. Leave them comments below. Leave your complaints below. Don't shoot the messenger. Don't shoot anybody, actually. Don't shoot, please. All right? And we out.
All I hear is talking, I don't sweat that. If they don't trust me either, I respect that. If she be down the ride, oh, I bet that.